Did you know nearly 2.2 billion people worldwide suffer from vision impairment? Our eyes, these intricate and precious organs, allow us to experience the world in all its vibrant detail, yet we often neglect their well-being. Fortunately, nature provides a simple and delicious solution: nuts. These small but mighty snacks are packed with essential nutrients that can help protect and enhance our eyesight. Embracing a nut-rich diet is a proactive step towards safeguarding our vision and enjoying a lifetime of clear sight. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes rely on a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is crucial for maintaining eye health. What we eat directly impacts the health of our eyes. A lack of essential nutrients can lead to a decline in vision and increase the risk of age-related eye diseases. As we age, our vision naturally changes. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, and cataracts are common eye conditions that can impair vision. These conditions can lead to blurry vision, difficulty seeing in low light, and even blindness. Free radicals, unstable molecules in our bodies, also contribute to eye damage. Section 4. Nature's Eye Candy Nuts, packed with eye-boosting power. In this section, we will explore how different types of nuts can contribute to maintaining and enhancing our eye health. Fortunately, many delicious nuts are packed with nutrients that can help protect our eyes. These small but mighty snacks are not only tasty, but also offer a range of benefits that support our vision. Almonds, with their high vitamin E content, act as antioxidants, shielding our eyes from damaging free radicals. Just a handful of almonds a day can provide nearly half of your daily vitamin E needs, making them a convenient and powerful addition to your diet. Walnuts, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, contribute to healthy blood flow to the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. These essential fats help reduce inflammation and support overall eye health, ensuring that our vision remains sharp and clear. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in protecting the lens of the eye from damage. Selenium works in tandem with other antioxidants to prevent oxidative stress, which can lead to cataracts and other eye conditions. Pistachios, with their lutein and zeaxanthin content, help filter harmful blue light, protecting the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. Including pistachios in your diet can help maintain the health of your macula, ensuring that you can enjoy clear and detailed vision for years to come. Section 5. The Champion of Sight, Unveiling the Top Nut for Eye Health. Among this impressive lineup of eye-healthy nuts, walnuts emerge as the true champion of sight. These humble nuts are packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining and improving eye health. Their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, makes them exceptionally beneficial for retinal health. DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, is crucial for the development and maintenance of the retina, which is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. DHA is a major structural component of the retina and plays a vital role in maintaining its function. Without adequate DHA, the retina can suffer, leading to various vision problems. Studies have shown that regular consumption of walnuts can help reduce the risk of AMD progression and improve overall visual acuity. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is a common eye condition that can lead to significant vision loss. Their rich antioxidant profile further contributes to their protective effects against oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols found in walnuts help combat free radicals, which can damage eye cells and lead to various eye diseases. Section 6. A Nutty Prescription, Incorporating Nuts for Optimal Eye Health. Incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards protecting your precious eyesight. Nuts are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, which are known to support eye health and prevent age-related vision problems. Aim for a handful of nuts a day, enjoying them as snacks, adding them to salads, or even blending them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. You can also incorporate them into your favorite recipes, whether it's baking, cooking, or simply garnishing your meals. The versatility of nuts makes them an easy addition to any diet. Remember, a healthy diet is not about deprivation, but about making delicious and nutritious choices that nourish your body from the inside out. Including nuts in your meals can enhance the flavor and texture of your dishes while providing significant health benefits. By embracing the power of nuts, you can help safeguard your vision and enjoy a lifetime of vibrant, clear sight. So, make nuts a regular part of your diet and take a proactive step towards maintaining optimal eye health.